Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're jumping right into one of the most exciting fields out there, the spot where cutting-edge technology meets life-saving healthcare. And let me tell you, this field isn't just growing, it is absolutely exploding with potential.
Think about it. Every single day, the healthcare industry is generating a mind-boggling amount of data. We're talking patient records, lab results, data from your smartwatch. It's a total data tsunami. And the crazy part is, this data is growing faster than in finance or media. So the future of medicine, well, it really depends on our ability to harness all this information, to find the hidden patterns and create insights that lead to better diagnoses, more effective treatments, and, healthier people.
So, that leads us to the big question, right? How do we actually build that bridge between all this raw data and genuinely improved human health? Well, the answer lies in a pretty dynamic and specialized field.
To really get a handle on this, here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll get to the heart of what health informatics even is. Then, we'll check out what makes the MGM program so special, take a peek inside their curriculum, see where this degree can take you career-wise, and finally, walk through how to apply. So, let's get into it.
Okay, let's get down to basics. What exactly is health informatics? The best way to think about it is as this crucial bridge that connects two massive and pretty complex worlds. So, the official definition calls it an interdisciplinary specialty. But what that really means is it's this awesome blend of three key areas. You've got the hands-on expertise of healthcare, the organizational power of information science, and the sheer analytical muscle of computer science. Think about an AI that can spot early signs of a disease on a medical scan way before a human doctor might. That right there is health informatics in action. It's all about using information to make healthcare better and safer for everyone. And what makes this field so powerful is the mix of people it brings to the table. This program is basically a melting pot of talent. It's designed specifically for graduates from the health sciences, doctors, nurses, and for tech experts coming from fields like computer science and IT. It's that fusion, that blend of clinical know-how and technical skill that really drives innovation forward.
So if you're going to dive into a field this groundbreaking, you really want to be at an institution that's leading the charge. Let's talk about why the MGM Institute of Health Sciences really stands out from the crowd. First things first, let's talk credibility. MGM has a grade A+ accreditation from NAC. Now, this isn't just some random letter grade. It's literally the highest rating you can get, and it's a stamp of true excellence in teaching, in research, and infrastructure. It's basically a guarantee of quality. And this is where the theory gets real. At MGM, you're not just sitting in a classroom. You are immersed in a living, breathing healthcare ecosystem. I mean, there's a 1,000-bed hospital right there on campus, plus labs that are accredited to the highest national standards. You get to work with real, live data from day one. That's an incredible hands-on experience that you just can't get anywhere else.
All right, let's peek inside the curriculum. What are the actual tools and skills you're going to master? This is where we get into the nitty-gritty of what you'll be doing.
It all starts right here, in the dedicated Health Informatics Lab. This program is built around some serious high-performance gear, giving you direct experience with the kind of hardware that powers the entire industry. We're talking serious computational muscle, and that starts with the processors.
Each and every workstation is rocking a 24-core Intel Core i9 processor. That is some serious raw power. It's what you need to crunch massive data sets and run complex AI models without even breaking a sweat. From there, let's talk graphics. These machines come loaded with professional NVIDIA RTX 5000 graphics cards. And no, this isn't for gaming. This is for the heavy lifting that advanced AI and machine learning demand, letting you build and train some seriously sophisticated neural networks. And of course, you need the right kind of screen to see it all happen. That's why you'll be working on these immersive 34-inch ultra-wide curved displays. I mean, when you're trying to visualize complex health data or map out a system, having this huge digital workspace is absolutely crucial for seeing things clearly.
And here you go, a look at the lab itself. This isn't just a drawing or a concept, it's a real state-of-the-art facility, all set up and ready for you to dive in and start building the future of health tech.
The skills you'll pick up are exactly what the industry is crying out for. You'll master core systems like electronic health records. You'll dive deep into AI and machine learning, learn how to tell compelling stories with data, and explore the cutting edge of telemedicine, mobile health, and the supercritical field of cybersecurity.
All right, let's get real. The whole point of a master's program is to launch an awesome career, right?
So, what does a future in health informatics actually look like? Your path is really structured for success. It's a solid 2-year program, but the absolute game changer here is the 6-month embedded internship. Now, this isn't something you go find after you graduate. It's baked right into your learning. It lets you apply all your new skills to real-world problems before you even have that diploma in your hand.
Now, this is where it gets really cool. Just look at the sheer variety of opportunities. On the one hand, you could go the traditional route, become a clinical informatics specialist in a hospital or a data analyst for a public health agency. But you can also take these skills to totally non-traditional settings. You could be a product manager at a health tech startup, an IT consultant for a big pharma company, or even a UX designer creating health apps. The possibilities are just incredibly diverse.
So, if all of this sounds like it might be the right path for you, let's cover the next steps. How do you actually start this journey?
So who's a good fit for this program? Well, like we said, it's designed to be a meeting point for 2 different worlds. Whether you're coming from a health science background or you're from a more technical or IT field, there's a place for you here. There are even mandatory bridging courses to get everyone up to speed, making sure that no matter where you start, you'll have the tools you need to succeed.
And here's all the info you need to get in touch. Feel free to give them a call, check out the websites for more details, or just shoot an email to the admissions team. They're ready to answer any questions you've got. So we'll end with this one thought. The healthcare revolution isn't coming. It's already here. It's being driven by data, by technology, and by people who can stand with a foot in both of those worlds. The only real question left is, are you ready to be one of them?